Ever wondered about the safety of Honda Civic wheel spacers? You're not alone. Honda Civic wheel spacers are mechanical marvels that push your wheels away from the vehicle's original hub. These are fastened to the wheel hub through a clamping force attained by tightening each wheel's studs. All forces get transmitted through the vehicle's hub and its corresponding assembly, meaning the vehicle's weight isn't placed on the spacers. Done right, these spacers can be a safe and effective addition to your vehicle, so Honda Civic wheel spacers are not only functional but also safe when used correctly. Let's dive deeper into how these wheel spacers work. Hub-centric Honda Civic wheel spacers are engineered with a center ring that fits snugly on the hub assembly and the wheels. This allows the wheels to bear the vehicle's weight more effectively and minimizes the chance of vibration. The material of the spacer is also critical. Many are made of aluminum alloy, but forged ones outperform cast ones in strength and durability. Here's where bonoss forged multi-stage hub-centric Honda Civic wheel spacers come in. Their multi-layer process and machining accuracy of 0.02 millimeters ensure a high-quality surface, reducing vibration risk and enhancing safety. With the right Honda Civic wheel spacers like the bonoss forged multi-stage hub-centric ones, safety and reliability are guaranteed. But there's more to these wheel spacers than just safety. Bonoss active cooling Honda Civic wheel spacers are engineered with heat dissipation grooves. Designed in a pedal shape, these grooves allow the external cold air to flow continuously inside the wheel spacer as it rotates. This airflow takes away the heat, actively cooling the braking system and enhancing road safety. Furthermore, small notches distributed on the corner of the spacers act as air collectors, significantly increasing the airflow and thus the heat dissipation effect. And to top it all off, bonoss offers a 10-year warranty on these forged active cooling Honda Civic wheel spacers, giving drivers peace of mind. Quality, safety, and reliability. That's what you get with Honda Civic wheel spacers. Drive safely and confidently with the right wheel spacers for your Honda Civic.